And after the sign up option, guys, we need to customize our Shopify online store by clicking on the online store here. And there is an option here, the themes, and you can go in here, you see different kinds of themes. So for now, we just scroll down and look for the themes that we want. And if you want to see the different kinds of themes that with payments, so you just click in here, visit theme store. You can see the tons of themes in here, but with payments. But we just go to free now, free. And if you scroll down, you see the different kinds of themes that you want. So we try the themes, the trade theme. So it's free, so click it. Click try theme, and it will add it here. So scroll down. That you can see in here, just added the trade theme and just click on publish. And now the trade theme is on the front. You can see that, just click on customize. This is the front page of the trade theme, and you can see here the home page, the header which is this one, the header. And you can add section also, and the template is, this is the template, the big one, this is it. And the welcome industry is this one, you can click that so that you can change it. And about this one, the header is this one, you can also click that and change it. And the button also is this one. Now the multi-column is this portion, is the multi-column. You can also delete this border columns in multi-column. If you want to delete all of this one, you can just click in the multi-column, and then there's a delete option, you just click it. And if you want to delete one by one, you just also click this one, and then there's a delete option, just click it. And also regarding at the footer, you just scroll down from the top of the header, scroll down up to the bottom, you can see the footer. You can also add section in there, and this is the footer in our website. So you can put in the footer the different kinds of payment methods and the policies, and your copyright. You can also change this home page to product page, collections, collection list. It's up to you. This is the home page of your website store. If you want to change this into products, you can click it and it will appear. It's the products here. To check your different kinds of view, so this is the desktop, or this is the cell phone, and also the full screen. These three is important also. So if you want to edit, you check in the desktop and also in the cell phone, because most of us use the cell phones. And if you click on this cell phone, it will appear on you, so you can see how it goes within the cell phone devices. Now, for example, you want to add new section, you just click on the plus button, you just click this portion. For example, you want to add section in this part, you just click the add button, and it will appear on your screen, and you can choose whether you want to add like features, product, collection list, rich rate. It depends on you. Now you know the different features of the Shopify, so let's dive on the customization of your online store. Just click the image banner here on the left side, image banner, and it will appear the select image, like in the first image and the second image. When you click the select image, it will go to your notes or in your documents and select this one so that you can upload your image. And then in the second image also, you can download your second image. So there is a portion also with image overlay. You can change this one if you want a brighter one or the lower one. And then the banner height is small, medium, or large. And this portion, you want that in the middle left or in the corner or in the right. It depends on you. Then here is the color. You can change it. For example, your color is like a blue or the white. You can change in here. And if you click this portion by your mouse, you can see this, and then you can erase that and change it. But what prepare you like to write in there. And you can also change this welcome industry by clicking this one, and then you can erase also this one and change it. Of course, after change it or change this one, maybe you can save it, your work. Now, if you want to customize this button, just go in here on the exit button and search for the buttons from template and the buttons. So you can click it and change. You can also replace that. This one is only shop, and then when they click it, there is a link, for example, they will redirect to your shop. For example, you add the links connected to your collections, your products, your pages, your blogs, blog posts, it's up to you. Now, if you add more buttons, you just click in here. This is the first button, and then you add more. There is a second button, and then the second button link. You want to add more, you can also add another. Now, after this, if you are satisfied with your work, just click on the exit button here. And on the trade team, you can see this portion. You can change that by the rich text. So after clicking the exit button, you can go in here and then look at the rich text, because this is the rich text. This one. So you just click it and then you change this one on your prepared. After changing that, if you want to change, or you can also delete it if you want. After that, so exit also. Then click on save to save the changes.